This is my first time trying a passion fruit. Going to open it. It's green? How is it green? It smells just like a lemon with a mix of orange. I like the smell. I'm going to scoop up part of the fruit and that's so good. Wait, I think this might be my favorite fruit now. Look at that juice.